Well, hi folks, I'll just give you a quick look around the old Polytunnel, which is a bit of a jungle at the moment, as you can see. I'm going to empty another one of my potatoes out. Probably do, well, might do that one over there. But I'll just give you a quick look first. These are the hanging basket tomatoes, absolutely covered in fruit now. And flowers, I've never seen anything like it. If I show you how small the pot is, it's just been drying out every day. I've got to water it about 3 times a day. Because they're only in 7.5 litre pots, and I really should have put them in bigger ones, but got plenty of fruit coming on now. It's absolutely dripping with flowers. These were just the one called Tumbler, and there's only one plant in, just completely left them, not pinched anything out. And as you can see, loads. And that's the difference between these two bits of compost. This is some what I would class as really good compost, really fine stuff over there. And as you can see, the plants are looking a little bit yellower and not as prolific, whereas these, the first lot, are the stuff that's been grown in that absolutely what looks rubbish compost, which is full of wood fibre, but doing, oh, they must be 4 times as big. So there you go. It just, like I keep saying, it goes to show you it's not what the compost looks like. It can look absolutely amazing, but not give you the greatest results. So anyway, cucumbers finally started to grow a little bit. I've just been pinching all the side shoots out like you do with tomatoes. They're sort of come out in between the main stem and the lateral branches, the leaves, and if you don't pinch them out you end up with a great big bushy thing. You'll get hundreds of cucumbers, but they won't get to any size, so it's good to pinch them out. I'm tying them up to this cane and then I'll train them across. I'll put a string across there and just let it grow horizontally. Save on space. Third lot of lettuce all ready to go out now, but I've nowhere to put them. I'll have to start putting them in between where I've been pulling the mature ones out. So anyway, we'll have to figure something out. These are a few spare lettuce, cucumbers and courgette. Don't know why I'm keeping them, because I won't be planting them, but I just can't seem to let things die. So anyway, pepper's doing all right. Chilies are doing really well. Got some chilies on already, look. So looking quite good. And like I said, some more potatoes here. So we'll get on and we will, just knock my cucumber over. I think we'll harvest this one because this is taking a lot of room up. See if it's made any difference leaving it another sort of 10 days from the last time I harvested some. See if we get a better crop. So we'll get sorted out and we'll pull those out. Right then, we'll get this spud down. It's a fair old size considering it's only got one potato in it. Oh, chop the tops off. Chop the top off first and then we'll get them out. That's that off. Pull my little frame out. And see how we go. Let's have a look. Can I see myself? I'll just get another one of these to empty it out into. So again, the moment of truth, a little bit longer. See if they're any better. Feeling a little bit better. Yeah, that's more like it. Still some little diddy ones. Get some nice bigger ones now. So it's, once they start to grow, but the extra week or so can make a heck of a lot of difference. Because last time I got about 1.15 pounds, I think it was, and I've definitely got more than that with this. And like I said, it's only about a week later, so it's always good to do a little test pot just to see where you're at, because then if you know there's a few more to grow, little ones, then they'll always grow bigger the longer you leave them, as long as you keep them well watered. So this is looking a little bit more promising than the last one. So I mean, the maximum I would expect off one seed potato in a little 10 litre pot would be £2. So if we get anywhere near that, then I'd be more than happy, because that's about the most you're going to expect from just one seed potato. And again, there's the seed potato. So I've got all those so far off just that one seed potato. We might have a few more yet. I'll just get all the rest of these out. Just go through it. Again, this is the rubbish compost that the tomatoes have grown so well in. It's rough as old boots, but don't know what's in it, but it's growing stuff well. Peat reduced stuff because it's full of wood. So there you go. It's not what it looks like, just how it grows. I think it's basically because it's so rough, it's got lots of air in it, and the worst thing you can do is get compost that's so fine that there's no air in the compost. It just ends up being lacking oxygen. So that's that. Let's see if we have managed to get the elusive £2. I'll get my scales out. I'm sure I brought them. There we go, I've got them there. So anything near £2 would be good. And there are still a few of these that will grow a little bit bigger. So the next pot, if I pull that out in a week, should be even better than this one. But let's see how we get on. We're after £2 or something close. No scab, no disease, nothing on them, so I must have been doing things correctly. Oh God, apart from doing that. My camera's fallen off because it's windy. Oh, let's sort this out. Let's have a look. There we go. Can you see? Yeah, got him in. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a see how many we've got, how much we've got. Like I said, anything near £2 and we'll be happy. There we go, £1.92, so just shy of £2. So that will do for me. For the second little pot of potatoes, as I said, from one small pot and one small seed potato, we've got a good old crop for a change. Should get even bigger as well the longer I leave them. But I've only got 2 pots left and then we'll be into the ones outside. But anyway folks, that's about it. Little look round the greenhouse, polytunnel and a few more spuds. See you later.